Plus500 is an online trading platform that allows you to trade various financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and forex. Here's how beginners can make money with Plus500. Understand the platform. Sign up. Start by creating a Plus500 account and familiarize yourself with the interface. It's important to understand how to navigate the platform and use the available features. Practice with demo account. Plus500 offers a demo account where you can practice trading with virtual money. This helps you understand the market dynamics without risking real funds. Trade CFDs. CFDs allow you to speculate on the price movements of assets like stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies without owning the underlying assets. If you predict that the price will rise, you can go long. If you predict the price drop, you can go short. Start small and use leverage carefully. As a beginner, it's best to start with small amounts and avoid using high leverage. Leverage can amplify both gains and losses, so start cautiously until you become more experienced. Research and stay updated. Keep up with market news and analysis. Conduct research to identify profitable trading opportunities. Plus500 provides charting tools and resources to assist with technical analysis.